Hello everybody, my name is Brandon Sanchez. I am a student of bachelor degree in foreign languages with emphasis in English. Today I will share my video about the English course foreign languages and foreign language acquisition and learning. This is a practical course of the career bachelor degree in foreign languages with emphasis in English. This course have five phases. The first is a recognition activity of the characteristic and particularity of the course. The time distribution with the observation practice is the phase 2. Correspond to 8 hours of observation practice, 2 hours of material developed, and 3 hours as a PEG. Then we have the phase 3 is observation practice 2. The students spend 8 hours in observation practice, 2 hours in material developed. Phase 4 practical component is different. It's a simulate a scenario and virtual strategy in the UNAT. The students spend 9 hours about SPET, a portfolio, and simulate a scenario. The final activity is phase 5, and that was the summary of the syllabus. Then we have pedagogical and educational practice regulation agreement. This document have 9 chapters about the rules, definition, characteristics, curricular aspects, everything about the process of practical pedagogical. An example, we have the chapter 5. There are a lot of actors of the academic network, like a national leader, course director, a zonal leader. Every people in this academic network is responsible for the accompaniment of the future teacher or students. We have the pre-practice seminar. It's a strategy for optimize the condition in the process of practice scenarios. In this chapter, we have the option to learn about the mandatory of this pre-practice seminar. In this pre-practice seminar, you have the assignation of the institute or school for practice pedagogical, and we continue with the chapter 7, monitoring and evaluation. Every people of the after of the network academy, they are responsible for your improvement with accompaniment or monitoring this process of practice. Chapter 8 is duties and rights of the future teacher, and duties and rights is like lineamientos of the institute, regulation, students via good behavior, like respectful, the difference of the every students in the institute. And finally, chapter 9 is the chapter dedicated to the certification of pedagogical and education practice. This is an option for the student to have a first job, because this certification counts like a professional experience. Then we have the guidelines for develop pedagogical and education practice. Principles of action, integrity is necessary in every single environment. Respect for difference, like I say before. Excellent service. The degrees program in SEDU, there are several, like bachelor degree in foreign language, education, philosophy, maths. Okay, continue with the definition, practical component, teacher training, Okay. Root of the pedagogical and education practice. The student must have approved 40 credits correspond to the subjects of semester 1, 2, and 3. It is necessary to do the practical pedagogical. Pre-practice seminar is a mandatory scenario for the student to develop the condition to the respective process in the respective academic period. SAPET is a strategy of synchronous accompaniment for the course of the practical component of participant observation and immersion that allow the student to have a simulated pedagogical with a different situation. Like a simulator is a digital academic tool with the same description as a didactic practice, is immersive with a lot of applying in their field practice of the nature environment of the teacher. Uh, that was all. My name is Brandon Sanchez. Thank you for your attention and see you another opportunity. Thank you.